Was brackalacking bitches. I got a banger today, so fuck am I doing, bro? So I'll be putting on a CATLESS downpipe on my MK7 GTI. Make more power, go faster. Stay tuned. I'm sorry I haven't been posting in a while. It's just that I've been busy and it's cold out and I'm not motivated to do anything. Should be pretty good. I got this CATLESS downpipe. It's made by ARM Motorworks or something. I'm hoping it doesn't take me more than like 2 hours because like I ain't trying to be working on this shit. I'm gonna have a lift, so hopefully it makes it a little faster. Yeah, but first, I gotta get some food because I am fucking hungry. Let's go. You already know. Had to go with the good old Chick-fil-A biscuit. Along with the good old sweet tea. And now we're ready. I'm probably not gonna film much when I'm in here because I'm not at my work. I don't wanna look like an idiot in front of everyone, so I might film like a couple clips of like B-roll or something, but I'm not gonna film the whole thing. I think Dina's meeting up with me because it should be easier with 2 people because the downpipe, the stock one, it's like super weird to get out. You gotta like twist it and pull it and bop it and shit. You know, we should get it. So yeah, let's get started. We got the old one off. It was hard. We got Dean.
Oh yeah, master mechanic.
Yes sir.
Mechanic with 2 Ks.
Got the new one right here, you know? No cats because you gotta go fast. Alright guys, so we just got it all put together. Can't really see what I'm looking at, but we're gonna start up right now and I'll film it. It smells like no cats. Sounds sick, bro. The downshift sound nice. Dude, I'm stoked, bro. ARM CATLESS downpipe with, I think it has a resonator on it. I don't know. All I care about is no cats.
That sounds so sick.
Dude, I'm so stoked.
I've been riding, rolling, drinking, smoking. That's something I do. I've been hiding all of my emotions. That's something I do. I've been rolling around. I've been rolling around. That's something I do. I've been rolling
So, we're out in the middle of nowhere right now. It's called Holy Hill. It's like a park and like a church and stuff. As you can see from like the B-roll footage I'll throw up or somewhere. This spot is like actually insane. Like we're just parked up right now and there's like trails and shit. There's like so many spots you could just park and take a picture. Isn't that right?
Hell yeah, dude.
Can you rev my car a little bit? Can you rev it? Honestly, it sounds like super good. I was thinking I was gonna need like a cat back or like a muffler delete, but honestly, like it's like the perfect tone and sound. It could be a little louder, but what are you gonna do? And it's really cool that when the traction control like kicks in, it makes like those makes DSG sounds, which is pretty cool. I don't know what else I'm gonna do in this video.
Hello.
Maybe next video I'll get it tuned. I need to buy an access port, and you already know I gotta go with EQT because they got the strongest tunes for the stock turbo. But yeah, they sell a kit with like the tune and the access port together. So maybe next video I'll do that. I also need to get tint because this thing looks so ugly without tint. Fishbowl, water bottle. But yeah, I did get my check engine light did eventually come on. Just because I'm not tuned. And I got no CADs now. The install actually went super easy. Like I thought it was gonna take me all day. The only problem we had was The bolts for the band clamp for the exhaust was rusted. I'll throw up a picture here, but it was all bad. It was like snapped off, like couldn't get it, so I thought we were gonna be done for. I jammed a screwdriver into the hole and just pried it, and it came right off. Kind of got lucky right there. It took me maybe like 2 hours. We had a lift, so that made it like 100 times easier. So I think I'm gonna end the video right here. It's starting to rain a little more, and I don't want everything to get wet. If I don't do anything more in this video, it'll be the end. So make sure to like and comment, and yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, that too. See ya.
You know I like us, but I like to see you try. Throw your hands up to the reality of times. You know, spy that.
Hello.